Hello viewers, do you know that your brain can hold more information than the entire internet? Or do you know that the electrical signal from your brain can power a light bulb, can actually light a light bulb? Maybe you didn't know that. In today's video, I'll be telling you 10 surprising facts, 10 shocking facts about your brain that they didn't teach you in school. So in this video, I'll be telling you 10 surprising facts about your brain, and I'm very sure you'll be shocked. Because when I did this research, I was like, my own brain. You'll be shocked at the end of this video. The ninth one is the most surprising among all. Right. All right. So before we dive into it, please, if you are new to this channel, my name is Excellence Simplified. Do well to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. All right. I've done some research about the brain, and I want to share it with you because I don't want to keep it to myself. Can we go? All right. Now, the first fact about your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. If you have 20-watt bulb, you know that bulb that used to shine, a bulb, your brain generates electrical signal that can power that light bulb. Wow, is that not shocking? The second fact about the brain: the human brain has around 86 billion neurons, and each neuron can make thousands of connections. So we have about 86 billion, not million, no, billion neurons. You know, neuron is what is involved in relaying information. We have two types of neurons. We have sensory neurons, two major because we have three actually. We have sensory neurons and we have motor neurons. We also have intermediate neurons. But now, sensory neurons, they are found on your sense organ, like your skin. So if I hit my skin like this, the sensory neuron will pick up the information and send it to my brain for interpretation. After the brain interprets, motor neurons will carry it and send it back to this place so that I will not feel the pains. You get? So our body, our brain has over 86 billion neurons, and each of those neurons can make thousands of connections. Wow. The third one, the third shocking fact about your brain doesn't feel pain. Your brain does not feel pain. So what that means is your brain does not have pain receptor. Your brain does not have pain receptor. So if they are operating your brain, you will not feel any pain. You don't have brain ache. What you used to have is headache. If you have brain ache, then you should be on the street. All right. So now your brain does not feel pain because it does not have pain receptors. If they are operating the brain, the person will not feel any pain. So the brain is the only part of the body that does not feel pain. Do you know that one before now? All right. Let's move on. Fact number 4. Information in your brain travels at up to 268 miles per hour. That thing is faster than Formula car. That thing is faster than Elon Musk car. 286 miles per hour. Now you can see how fast your brain processes information. You can see how fast your brain processes information. The fifth one, your brain starts slowing down at just 24 years old unless you challenge it. Once you are 24 years old, your brain will start to slow down. Your brain capacity will start to slow down except you challenge it by working on your brain. You know, your brain is like machete. If you sharpen it, it becomes sharp. If you don't use it, it becomes blunt. So at 24, your brain starts to slow down except you challenge it. So challenge your brain. If not, before you know, you'll be like, when I was small, I used to memorize things very well. Once I read a line to stick to my brain, but now what's happening? Your brain is slowing down because you're not challenging it well. So challenge your brain. Please, if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing now. Click on that subscribe button. You know the bite. Click on the subscribe button now and like this video. All right. Now the sixth fact, shocking fact about the brain. This one is very shocking, and I'm sure you didn't know this one. You can rewrite your brain. Yes, that is when they say you can rewrite your brain. All the things in your brain, you can rewrite them. What do I mean by that? That thing is called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity. and it happens even in old age. So you can rewrite the way your brain works, the way you think, the way, some people used to say their mind is here, your mind is here. You can rewrite your brain even at old age. You can do that. So there's no person that's why I don't believe there's any dull person. You're not intelligent. No, I don't believe there's any dull person. Work on your brain. You can rewrite your brain. Maybe you just understand your brain capacity. Different persons have different ways their brain works. Some persons, they assimilate very fast. Some persons is slow. But you understand your brain pattern and you can rewrite it by deliberately working on it. Even at old age, that can happen. That's why you see an old man can learn anything and still know it. Alright. We are moving on. Fact 7 is more shocking. Fact 7. Daydreaming uses more brain power than focusing on a difficult task. Daydreaming, dreaming in the day, uses more brain power than focusing on a difficult task. Those of you that daydream, it uses more brain power than focusing on a difficult task. Fact number 8. The brain consumes 20% of your body's total energy even while you are resting. So while you're resting, your brain is not resting. As you're resting, your brain is not resting. Even when you're resting, your brain consumes 20% of your energy. 20% of your body total energy, even when you're resting. Is that not shocking? Your brain. It means the other organs share 80%, and only your brain is taking 20%. You see how powerful the brain is. See how powerful it is. Fact number 9. I told you fact number 9 will shock you the most. Memories aren't perfectly stored. Your brain rewrites them slightly each time you record them. Memories aren't perfectly stored. Your brain rewrites them slightly each time you record them. If something happened now and you know it perfectly, that thing is not perfectly stored because maybe after some weeks you want to recall what happened last week. Your brain will rewrite them slightly differently from how it happened. That is why sometimes you cannot state exactly as it really happened, because your brain, when it was storing it rewrites it slightly. Do you get? So that is why if you want to talk about something that happened 2 years ago, anytime you want to talk about it, anytime you want to recall it, your brain rewrites it slightly differently. Do you understand that? Number 10 fact. Before I give you the 10th fact, please, if you've not subscribed, see my hand, please click on that subscribe button. On this channel, I bring to you educational videos that you never regret that you watched, videos that you never regret, videos that you always be grateful. Thank God I clicked this. So click on the subscribe button. If not, you may not see me again, because if you don't click on the subscribe button, you will not be notified. We're in an advanced world. If you click on the subscribe button and the bell notification, anytime I post a video like this that you like, YouTube will know that you like this video. YouTube will just send you a message. It will just pop up, Excellence Simplified Academy just posted a video. Then you just rush and go and watch and learn again. So that's that. The 10th fact about the brain. The brain can create new brain cells even as an adult. The brain can create new brain cells even as an adult, especially during exercise or learning. It's called neurogenesis. So your brain can create new brain cells. Brain cells can degrade, right? But the brain can still regenerate new brain cells. Were they not shocking? Because me, I didn't know most of these things. It was when I was doing research I saw some of them. Now, let me know in the comment section, which facts shocked you the most? Which of the facts shocked you the most? And if you have any surprising facts about the brain that you feel we should learn from, also drop it in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comments. Like this video and share to others. See you in our next video. My name is Excellence Simplified.